And if you are in doubt about what we have sent down, i.e. the Quran, upon our servant, i.e. Prophet Muhammad, then produce a surah the like thereof, and call upon your witnesses, i.e. supporters, other than Allah, if you should be truthful. But if you do not, and you will never be able to, then fear the fire, whose fuel is people and stones, prepared for the disbelievers. And give good tidings to those who believe and do righteous deeds, that they will have gardens in paradise, beneath which rivers flow. Whenever they are provided with a provision of fruit therefrom, they will say, "This is what we were provided with before," and it is given to them in likeness. And they will have therein purified spouses, and they will abide therein eternally.